For those with lap-held children, infant life vests are provided on the aircraft. A description of the location, use, and operation can be found on the safety information card. Federal regulations require passenger compliance with all lighted signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions. Smoking is prohibited on board the aircraft. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detectors located in the lavatories. All tray tables and seat backs must be upright in the locked position and all items secured. A flight attendant will be dimming the main cabin lights. A reading light is located above your seat. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the flight.